off your clothes, let it show. Money never.
I need a plushie of myself. The things I would do to that plushie. Hello. So you welcome back to Talks with Calder. Oh, I'm gonna have a bruise on my right butt cheek. Wait. Yeah, right butt cheek. Oh my god. Oh. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Only like 500 pounds. Where did it go? Oh. Oh my god. Gojo! Don't touch me! I'm out of the way! We are so close to 300k followers. So, there's a conspiracy theory that I don't have Riz. You wanna see real Riz? You like white flour? The flower didn't fall, I don't know what you're talking about. Just like I didn't fall. For you. I don't know what you're talking about. Ocean Rides has a point. What if I do date a fan? I have a rare condition, and it's called women phobic. Oh my god!
I poop rainbows and butterflies.